Anya Cargo the Olympics abrante for the ruling won some hasi yanya a sudden picture of abrante na is na osia kan obeni na ye de won some abeba enya no nko ye be wura in sama hodum onim se Ghana ni Japan ya bo second one na homachi ya na ya boy second game na homachi ya bo we dey initial report ba say Wednesday but Tuesday that one and now homachi na e buy ya boy we 2 legs no 2 games no ya do ya just 1 goal 10 Japan for say 10-0 in 2 matches and now no pay nyame ya do me so ka gaje 4
say asaka 2 so sa ho say Asia o be sa 2 ni say betia ba ne de 20 aba
e ho de be ka e sro mo so mo nyabutre oh Saguria
na ja ari na match no mbosi asa match no mbosi
oh the normal man say time no
but FA website
omumfanto
bibia ni ho Black Stars
one guard bejo
the be say na ba ko na J7 no say lineup nyina na da ho
6
time ani de be bo nyina 6 no
say ye ni zombe she be busy tine ni say nya match e go bo bom say 6 wie no and there was the second one going so o de anya blaster and then the blaster also go Pascal ya let us say zero monya gu na teams nyina o the national under 23 team ya koi ya free players omusia kan na league aso mo de ma go gu eyisi de omukusia kan enne ya je 9 o eti 2 legs no 2 games na ni Japan abono ya concede 10 ya nshe one cry kwame
chairman
na boko de
nyame adom chairman bi fine
ya wie Japan second one no ya je 9
me cry no me sorry na musa ball no say na no nsia no pay it no aso me nipa na frame me say ma ka che say match we there e wo see didi won na ija ya dey share July ni mu
bet match
because who has so bet tie ma kasa be brave Ghana je 10-0 on aggregate Chelsea enye ordinary match 10-0 Black Meteors 10-0 the house of 4 goalkeeper and Richard Ayi and a die him say start 11 no cry I think it should be on my phone ya je 10 yeah so the beat team ya is kana man you know say me match there ha me cry said the besia
say na no say be 10 tin ka so ya
said nipa no frame me me da nwumre no say first 6-0 no half with most goals first half Inti na mbiza na there na one can chem no so na escaping into second match no obeka kire me call na ma inti me hu ya say na 4-0 inti mon check half a goals ne by him say wow first half na musu na goals ne by and I minim the exact half but I mean it's evident when you say chairman obia and you don't have to cry over spilt milk that was what was going to happen and I am here say na your football say football na nkasa no Ghana have football na nkasa no and Ukraine and amanfo be the national team need didi pa me sure say na no pay so amanfo clock bet ne kama o ma didi because 4-0 and 6-0 the difference be anim so that's the situation the national embarrassment Keti also Kreku and in administration o the Ghana firm no Japan a share 10-0 aggregate 2 matches o ma share 10
na match no
omo the Premier League players ne koye omo gu ye league na nimu ase omo gu brand football Ghana football brand na nkasa no abede na Japan ya take you serious no Japan na nkofo we ya ni omo ba be friendly say na ya kra ye because under normal circumstance friendly match there o the show holding o the share ba bia wo so na ya show 10 in 2 matches that means nkofo no kra ma boka e was say Ghana for kra san ma musika because omo nyamfa so be a free friendly match no me boy no but ebi ma didi me ya de ehia me ano no ebi ma didi
na ebi timi try
and I was say first match ne de omo try
omo soro ho ne bi didi ho
some ebi ya wear pa ebi ya wear chairman ebi ya wear pa of de betumi see and all of that enti e wie adwuma de na mesa frame me nipa na hwe say ono so na odi ya so sa ne be sia ko
the national teams ne
oh yes I'm for debate pa
na me match no ombo every website the reporting
that be match no there undercover match match e body no nsia no pa Ghana time there chairman obi ante ho hwe no se born yapon amanfo na bisa head coach say scores you say no say 4-0 assistant coach
and
assistant coach na this scores ni Sunday
yeah so na sense bono in fact the go bisa say ball bibia e cool ho no say and also time ben na match no beba so and also match ya boy we and bisa say score line say because we lost 4-0
time everybody them say Ghana man penny kura nim time e ball
da bi o man penny yawe
oh hani apon na score la ba
Jonas Atukwe num ne Osman Bukari num Joseph Barnes mu nyina bobi Richard Ayi mu nyina ejinam Emmanuel Esiam
Ghana Japan for under 24
yeah
under 24 it is Ghana under 24 goalkeeper Richard Ayi defenders Frank Asinki Uzziah Alasan Joselfo Barnes Samuel Abe Ashikwe Frank Ousu Amwabing Osman Bukari Emmanuel Esiam Jonah Tukwe Sabit Abdullah and Frimpong Boateng and so a boy of Anani okay eti omobo ni wie you know Japan for no so ye Suzuki Zion Mashida Koki Koga Tai we mu nyom ni bo Japan food there yamo ma is superstars you know so say as Japan for no is omu ni bo
yes
omo say 9 82 games no ya 10
yeah 10 goals
your next match china
yeah South Korea. Yeah. I know she have about 2 matches or I know dear I was here didi. Chairman na 10 goals about your knee.
Only team na mo business.
Na chairman 10-0. Ghana Black Meteors. I consider 10 goals in 2 matches. Normal.
Answer one.
Anya normal. Obi any obet me aka chem say how match na normal match.
Offside goal Brian Shebi the
anya normal match. Chairman hwe 6-0 no. The ball no me da no pa no. Hwe goals a Ghana concede here. They should share goals, no? How funny the goals were. When Minyanya highlights, but say to Michelle Ghana, I can't do 2 matches. Parkwesi Fabian and a head coach. You see Bazigi and an assistant. There's something wrong somewhere. You to be funny normal, sir. But Ninya Mono, you ever heard a bit to me South Korea, dear no? Yeah, I said a bit to me in Yakakredia. Heart of Oak protest number.
And
run Juno me documents number you better hard to vote almost protest him.
Documents number.
Yeah, hard to vote protest. So much 2,000 Ghana cedis protest fee no much and also
how to vote protesting against Abranti and the
James Kwame rule. Yeah, James Kwame rule.
Now how to vote as someone more can say Abranti and Nidia can you know use no. Kumsin
Banier, formerly of Santos FC and Dragons FC of Benin. Maybe I bet the Pele ball no.
The Ghana Morocco is about
results number.
I say bet 3+ goals for first half.
Hey.
Obina diaba. Me ami nyowa. Shamu we shamu bodi shamu. Shamu na diaba. Na in fact say kwa yes also mo herum ka obi bio. So the last time near you know the kwa yes na and yo. They say they have the aginsamo.
Aginsam chairman aginsam da.
Abrantia no ni din no no use for Dragon FC in Benin in 2019. I'm going to ask for no Baini Kumsen. Now there is this picture. I had to vote for Nsaka. Brantia no Osia Kaima Dragons Football Club.
Okay.
A year ago, this is the picture live on Facebook. Any Abrantia any no the rule no.
Debbie, so where you buy near Kumsen?
I buy the Kumsen. I must say, on one and ne. What see a can watching in the din.
It's almost in a picture,
so only
documents.
I must say, only I will see a kind of man. Dragons FC. No, see a camera Dragons FC near fan of buying the Kumsen. And now Olympics
are not free bad Dragons FC no.
You know, if we call Dragons.
I saw him say buy ni Kumsin or no one James Kwame Rule.
I'm so no.
It's him for no free bar Dragons or no.
Some of you free call Dragons and some also about Olympics.
Oba Olympics now. Free him for no about Olympics. Free him for no about Olympics.
Okay. Yes, Santos Bisu.
I say Santos to Dragon, Dragons to Ghana. If I no free and sign Oba Olympics no, Oba Division 2 club bi.
Oh Ghana.
Ghana ha. In the case no, enye as simple as said it here. And can person hear House of Oak for statements no, almost statement of claim ne, almost case protest, original protest.
Let's have a live. Yeah, the better Facebook. Now you need to read it through. Nia, when will be Eddie Ako through no. Ya read in simnimu. The House of Oak a claim. We've House of Oak claim more ye. Say yenye 3 points no. Ever so this is the House of Oak protest.
Yes.
And down no Ghana Football Association. Or match or transaction ID in Gusro no.
Yeah.
Competition Ghana Premier League match. Accra Good Olympics versus Accra Hearts of Oak FC. Date the 6th of June 2021. Accra Sports Stadium. Between Accra Hearts of Oak, that's the petitioner, and the respondent will be Accra Good Olympics. I'll say take notice that Accra Hearts of Oak Sporting Club has hereby protest against Accra Good Olympics for fielding an unqualified player in the person of Joshua Kwame Rule in jersey number 39 in the above match. Okay. And contrary to Article 28, 1D and 2A, 26(6), okay, of the Ghana Premier League regulations, in the match day 28 of the Ghana Premier League, my play at Accra Stadium between Accra and Olympics. Well, this is the page 1.
Yeah, page
of
1.
Hearts of Oak.
Okay, so this
now,
is the statement of
the statement of their case. The petitioner's case is that Accra Olympics fielded an unqualified player in the person of Joshua Kwame Rule in jersey number 39 in the week 28 fixture between Accra Olympics and Accra Hearts of Oak Sporting Club. Contrary to Article 28, 1D, a player who has registered for more than one club or with another club registered with another national association. I know that article 28(2)(a), or Senator states an unqualified player shall not take part in any match for which he is unqualified to play. That is in the Ghana in the Premier League regulations. Also, Accra Olympics failed to perform due diligence in registering Joshua Kwame Rule, contravening Article 26(6), which states, quote, I say, responsibility of the truthfulness of information on players' licenses lies on the clubs and not the GFA. Okay. Joshua Kwame Rule registered for AS Dragons FC, the Dilem, VV18, of Benin in the 2019-2020 season with the name Kumsin Baini. The player came to Ghana and registered for Accra Olympics as Joshua Kwame Rule and featured for Olympics in the above match. Accra Hearts of Oak in accordance with Article 27C, which also states, quote and unquote, or say at any time during the season, a player suspected to have registered, and then the next one, illegally or fraudulently shall be reported to the GFA prosecutor. Also, a complaint about any player concerning a change in identity or data may be challenged at any time by any club by sending the complaint and evidence to the GFA prosecutor for investigation and prosecution before the GFA discipline committee. Okay. Now, reliefs sought. The House of Oak say, no prosecutor ni FNO nyina enyemo no. The House of Oak esre ana say obi relief zanache.
Yes, relief sought. Yeah.
And they say, in accordance with Article 28(2)(b), which states, without prejudice to the generality of the foregoing provision of this article, the GFA shall in all cases locate and punish the guilty party or parties. In the event of the player being the sole guilty party, the result of the match which he played shall stand. In view of this, Olympics failed to perform due diligence and are accomplices in the case, Hearts of Oak shall be rewarded 3 points plus 3 goals in the match the 28th fixture. The players should be suspended in accordance with Article 28(2)(c) of the Premier League regulations. And only Hearts of Oak are also up. I say, Senga player n'nkwan obi anymore. But I say the truthfulness of every registration lies with the club, not the FA. Enti Sadia yam punish Olympics. Yenti omo 3. In fact, yeah, match no boy no. Yam omo 3 points. Never 3 goals in common. Now the petitioner crowds of folk name of official Charles Quatting. The position is Chief Commercial Officer. The telephone number or the shoe office number no. And the official email of Accra to is also there and it's signed. And this is the protest. Obi,
yeah,
Hearts of Oak protest are filing.
Absolutely. Me assure say assembly no for due diligence. Hearts of Oak say Accra Great Olympics are in the signing of Joshua Kwame Rule. They did a very dicey case kakra because of course we'll check it protest now. Hearts of Oak the evidence kakra eta. When say Jaribe ma here Hearts of Oak for ankasa evidence on the can. Hearts of Oak evidence no I'm picky be free Wikipedia, which I think is unfortunate, but you know
Wikipedia a trusted source
for omuko kumsin kumsin banye no omu nyane pictures kakra. I think so Hearts of Oak protesting is basically about the picture omu say wow, Hearts of Oak.
I'm saying on one. Yes, I'm saying.
Oh, not say nipa no. Okay, I'm saying on one.
I'm saying on one.
But I was saying either biometric data or DNA. And some way to me I can say on one. Inti, and some Hearts of Oak bet me I can see so be as a player no on one you know. And your picture unko say because in Rakwana BYT catch say. Fabulous ladies non person register player bi but unsa o register player or TMS ni mu a se player bi se me no se na wo TMS ni mu dada na ye ba be register me a TMS no onje just am register manually into me sure say Hearts of Oak have pieced together you know some of these videos on YouTube.
Hearts of Oak want to say if I remember say information me any picture I also say Abrante looks like BBI Yadekro except the name.
Yes.
Date of birth.
So Masandi Ajare okay, this had to work for no more about dragons. Or as I think it's 11 page protest.
But fine, how to work but I don't know yeah. By Wikipedia said all kind of Wikipedia no. The wiki no. What I know is a lot of people put their information on it. Information pieced together from a lot of people. We give you a trusted source. Yeah. And now research you now control Wikipedia.
So Chairman said, Osha had to work for initial was a Jaribet Maya YouTube Bakono because this is the data of the player then playing with Santos.
YouTube now.
YouTube Bakubi or another one bibi So compare data way now compare to Bakuya Ejari Sesiana Ejari Manimi and Enko side by side. You find out there are a lot of similarities.
The height is
the same. 1.5 meters.
The nationality, the position.
Absolutely. But there are certain websites or Muka say player near South African. There are certain websites or Musu Jitum say player no Ghanaian. But Oko Santos for no so the only Ghanaian to have played for Santos was John Pinsel. It is a hard to work was Santos relationship now.
Santos, South Africa
for no. Omoni omo and link up. No more say a brand here Kumsi no Obama Santos because Santos for no and the ma Dragons. And a Dragons for no the ma Bingi FC. Our Ghana had Division 2. Say COVID-19 mumre ni muno and a brand the Bible bomber Bingi FC and Olympics for so akofano. Inti case no dear no kweni say no kre say player na asani din dia. I'm not too sure say Olympics for brebe because on your player of free Dragons directly from Dragons to Olympics. On your club big ball Ghana and son about Olympics.
Don't maintain so Olympics very brebe. Say omo yenti oma na say
yes it was a player no ne kanu kre
I ain't no mo say I dey we kaya
Daniel Goza similar but
when enya no keke kra sa emra we me kai say those times Mr. Pobi da bia no okosa de no ho say eyi na efe no article nim say the truthness of every registration lies with the club and not the FA. Eti una why registration no you find say who and also can find out.
Yes. But this player was registered with a Division 2 club. And San Olympics Kwakofano. Now, Omo checking FIFA TMS, no any FIFA Connect. No, say there's no name like Bani Kumsin. Our system name. Bani Kumsin. No. Now Joshua Kwame Rule. No. Oko checking what TMS ni FIFA Connect na. The only team our ball Ghana hano. Olympics. Inti case I was hard to work for proper research. Because Adiano to me left, to me right. Because similarities kakra wom, but say proper evidence say no because boy now can deny or they are to the managers and him say no or South Africa or no nim send your OCT and all of that. Into player not deny. Into say hard to work well. I think said the better hard to work. They say or more establishes our relationship no with Santos. Na Oma Fred Dragons for no misa a branch any contract because so checking from Santos or now or sometimes na Santos for division in the 2016-2017 season na Santos for no or division 1 or against Stellenbosch. 2 matches against Stellenbosch. Back one started here. And a second match no so free bench buy. So me establishes Obama Santos, establishes Obama Dragons. Now a free Dragons, no if no boy and son of Olympics. Then they can make a solid case. I cannot say for a fact. Say Bani Kumsin or no Joshua Kwame Rule and now say and I say 2 different people. Absolutely. Biometric data and DNA. So how to work for super boss canona yashe. So say bet me say ben ya Kwame Rule no so manaba near test you. And I say well I'm sure say I had to work with a lot of work to do to prove. Absolutely. Okay. Now adding. But onim say Olympus stands so Olympus losing protest we are. The implications for Olympics are serious. Yeah. Because it means that you need 21 days protest. Who can still cut 21 days and it should have maybe about 3 or 4 matches in the womb. Those matches in United decided to say almost be a protester. Now a game Olympics winning ya. Now but how about then Olympics and who say Kwame Rule or no ani kumse no. About then how would they find out? Because this is a player who had already registered for a Division 2 club. Iti Mako Andy Casillas, a ball Patasi FC. Me a Kumasi Asante Kotko player, and I'm a Asante Kotko football club. Me kwa kofano. Udo da so kofano. But I don't know. Obibeka about the precedent. Say, even Daniel Gozat case hereby. Who say per the I see we so kofano sama bo. Okay, the bottom case so. On the FA General Secretary. Yeah. Prosperity. Yeah. And then the Paudi case no so man on every president. Yeah. And no can say team need your own team blame no. But rather no player. And the some president na da on ba. And no ye no bani player na Palmer to Derby. And when we say the truthness of every registration lies with the club. And we am running. It don't because the team nka ho. Palmer went further. He went to CAS. Eka say Palmer case no a kano ene case also ejina and truthfully I'm here relegate Dreams FC so kaya ever Palmer Mumbai it minim how as our president no ebe ye adwuma with this but seriously we are in for a big absolutely Hustler Bibi Aboko there
Chairman Nyame adum Bibi Aboko
nice
na Accra's folk they should concentrate on the remaining games in Akan Obi say has full concentration no ko better than focusing on this. The last time Accra's folk AG League similar issue this year Tema Youth omo the unqualified player Emmanuel Kurote and he take Tema Youth points but baby a league
Yatima has
no Yantima it was me free club but it was RTU also.
Okay.
But clubs na tema you no mbo nyina no. Yet say e ma sa clubs no. Here na has
I said a good thing. When you clarification they say, I'm not changing the regulation in 72 hours.
Yeah.
Say into 72 hours, if I have to vote, even win the protester.
Yeah.
Only I have to vote. No.
Yeah.
Obi no bet me.
Yeah. And if the sources ne emom no, it should be. They should have also done. They should have even be meticulous.
That's what I mean.
Or some come pay a lot of attention and every detail I found.
Ansana omudi about out. There is a time in Zuka home.
Yeah.
We are only testing waters no. Omo we ahwe because ena no pay research amaye no. Ama banye kumsi na mu no.
Bani
kumsi na mi huni ye. Yes, I mean, in certain breath he's a South African.
Yeah.
In a certain breath he's a Ghanaian.
And Olympics
and check Santos for team now. The only Ghanaian to have played for Santos is John Penson. Say Sean October. Okay, Sean October. It had to work was Santos link no. And some person has to work chassis free or no. Almost chassis free or no.
Hoping that to be learning out now.
Oh, but you have to make it available to the prosecutor. All of your evidence. And
but so worry. We know. On the way they almost state your case.
Yeah.
Like lodge protest.
Okay.
Now, if they have to make their case, and they will write a proper case. I'm sure. I want to believe so.
Yeah.
It's all the evidence is made. Putting together.
Yeah.
Normally,
yeah.
And I am thinking, so for I have to work to take such a bold decision or step to want to do this. I'm sure
absolutely. Me, I sure so much comes in buying on one YouTube channel. Now, if you send your brand any bonny born or one. And they Kwame rule now in Red area no. Eh pet. No. Me fi akwa na say akwa na.
We na
no. But and I'm guy no. So when you bio data no and a DNA test too. I mean, until enya adwuma ketwa. But how to work e bie nyoma ni su kakra. The panic kakra be Olympics.
Well, they say Accra Olympics had to work. Yenya Chance were a very beautiful game last Sunday, and Hearts of Oak protest way, and so the new dimension crabber. But meaning sir, a lot of those registrations bio data ni bibia ho. If they want pass, I had some in the same thing by biometric. So unya way now you can just which have verify.
Yeah, Olympics for case omude bani say omu check ITC file ni mono. There's been no ITC sent from South Africa or Benin to Ghana in the name of Kumsin Baini.
To say a branchian. Dealing your Kumsin Baini. One of the ways about is also the SKP in terms of ITC. Anyhow, they run away from contracts from other clubs and a change of name. Oh, they are not going to say a Baini Kumsin or the buyer. A chance a team second division. I had a second division for the Ombem. I'm sure Obi. There's a trick. Clubs in the year. Say Urban. Oga say Ombebo Premier League team. The Premier League team should contact Dragons FC. Yefani says Anetia. I mean we read the scenarios.
Yeah.
Say we are buying the Kumsi Aba. Ombebo might be a heart to go Olympics. Ohiani ITC from Dragons the Benin Football Federation.
Yeah.
Some send the ITC Aba. Now I'm above any Premier League team. Or I'm about the Elite League. Where you're buying and we're going to register my Division 2. And when you use buying the Kumsi, because you buying the Kumsi are still, you will need an ITC. You have a rule, which means that it's a new player. So you should do for fra. Say we have a new hustler, and now be a new player. It's only having what I said. It's a new card. Amount for Division 2. Division 2 among need matching system.
Yeah.
What's the point I say? Then we are working way up. Any man change of name Taiban.
Yeah.
Okay, then you go that one. But you are going to
Kujo
Mensa. Aha. Eti enuna. Nana say basi say okay maybe no say every president kwasa change obi to din fufuro bi. E da kwakoye. E din change no, the nti omo ye no to lose track of the system.
Yeah.
And one of the things about ITC no say o change din there you don't need an ITC. So no ITC will come from South Africa or from Benin. So o change din na. The only time I change din is legitimate. And say we go so affidavit that to so. I just say all other documents bearing your old name are still valid. Not just any what changing in them.
Okay, in the case where the player left Ghana to South Africa. Say I was say you check it. I said free Ghana I call Santos no. I was say nya ITCB.
Exactly. I was say free Ghana I call Santos. There should be an ITC.
Yes.
But free as an amateur player. So free as an amateur player, there are also complications kakra. On the week, or academy player, and on the koi. And the club also requested for ITC. And it's only one. ITC no one also been come poku dia e buy. Also ITC Trauma Association name ma. Omutima provisional one.
Yeah.
Domestically.
Yeah.
Am the ball.
Yeah.
Eti say FA no na also no see na dwuma ye kakra. I feel say FA na kasa no sa emra ya kan wa sama also say sa truthness of every registration lies with the club.
No.
It should change.
I know there. It should lie with the players should be held responsible.
No, even the FA because FA no also what system. Name the bus system also it be flagging on the meter because they say biometric.
It me pop up kwama who say
exactly. Say abrantie because say nya analog be nya paper first na you go close out with paper now picture boss near inspection no wa and no say obitim go say wa paper you know no we not reaction so how the meter and you are computerizing your man where a test case all right there but I will say a league in Nasenka, Sunday we have free unqualified player.
Yeah.
And but the mestre say, the mestre pa adi winning no. Obine asla na emu nyina na yetie for. Efe no adi win by next week also Macquarie.
Yeah.
Right. By next week also Macquarie.
I think before crown say about the next one of matches.
I say papa. Near carrying tentum.
Madrid Copa del Rey match been on museum qualified player no. 28 hours later, no Macquarie.
Because only them slow. Say Yankanye Nyako Yano Bakunibi. Your boss season ya. Your 2 points and query. But when you are point to the work of fast mama. 18 minutes be blessed Kruma. It's your best friend, you know. I'm dealing with this matter as quickly as they can. Now you and bring finality to the whole issue. Now you will say, every idea no case, no house or case. Every other time I say house or case, you have further investigation. We are contacting the South African FA, the Beninoa Football Association, and boys need you do say no, but someone because or no. Now Daniel goes there, friend, this look of 20. Could you mention there be no, no friend that goes out. So could you mention? No. Can you know something? Mammy no didn't back justify now. Say the ref your far a birth center na kwan bruso say 14 years kwan birth center no just 15 odu aboni where years but your child is above the age not so above the age not so but no 14 years not so know the paper says 15 years na me born or the paper born na me born or the paper born me na me woman so 40 I say we never go see e be do baby na ve because players no uchi ne dia however can ding or say interior but on a house picture the buy tell share picture na was second no the driver side at all buy the kumsin no I don't know
difference be any soon more
movement the new Munyeso. Odi enchen. Yeah. Odi enchen. Yeah. But yeah, here anymore. I'm say a business started beba. Or the freeway so any enko black meter somebody do no one the kwara so obi waka wazem. Ya dey 10. The last time Ghana wana say 10 da. 10. Obi an say video.
When you say BYT boy.
BYT move BYT one.
10 there do. No.
In our history,
10. And of course, we are 5, 6, but 10 there.
10. Because the in the record books and the time where every president and all the team called Japan, you're going to do. Now, Pago is fabbing. Only at the table in our records, Nimby.
Basically, no.
So Fabian Zobi.
I'm Fabian, but I do tenure.
Sorry, I do tell Carella. I do tell Basigi ne Pagusi.
And so Omokache say when I score line when you find your BBR, near share performance no. Na performance I don't know for no.
performance yeah there ba ya tisu 2
ayati su 2 nti against South Korea no so na bia ba 3 anase 2
ya nya careful how we mo be free you ba na ya share 20 so ombeko South Korea ni mienu be ba no
na chema won wa dem national teams no so omoko no mkogu omu ani ma se no mo ba omba najo
amba late
so omunum se omba ni nyina ko all night say all night no ye be no Kotoka International Airport ye be twa omo ho
oza
so national teams ni nyina ho Blasters so omoko afro mkogu omu ma se omba najo ai ti se nyina be ko akotwa
omo mamumo
ha wan na wi afa ti se nyina ba akotwa omo ho nyina ye ba akotwa omo ho na ya match omu nyina tu be ma camp
omo go mre
ya catch soldiers for so munle omo asano mo bia kofi
ayi we kai can't be no mo yo North Korea and I'm go Cote d'Ivoire ko say
General Robert
Gay say masa mutim ko guye ni masa na abasan anyway bi mo so see Blaster match na ba so ne no plus 3 plus goals say what
yeah
na say bam na I'm hoping say mbem me bomb pipe pass man mbem say bam dia na kire say de obi free o ga just half with most goals yeah ni Japan first match first half 4 goals na buy and a 2 bar second half that's the half with most goals no yeah no BYT team there say tender
but national team yen biggest defeat 8-0 Brazil na share
Brazil say 8
yeah
Brazil got to show it
that was 1996 27th March but I know you one game maybe I say 6 no we so a first
6 one got the Ajibu or Germany what some team ni show Germany just is
April 1992
na no grounds and your friend disaster
you na share first goal you need to know mama is 6
consolation
yes 1
yes 1 you na share first goal number share 6
and away home and away no ma share
10 yes
okay
ti there the worst when it comes to home and away basis untimi share Ghana sa ya should be 13-0 da 12-0 da ba obi say there yen junior team no na akojam
say man so the tender France be France
Nancy ya friendly match bi na ekobo and so na Bazigia o 2016-17
and Bazigia so abreu
wo omu lodi esa sa match hunya kwa nka Black Queens anko
okay ode yanya ne mran sama kan so Hudson Calumet no doy epic call on our president Andy Branema 10 minutes bina fire room because I'm on say why ya de obi say is it Charles Von some the players men say kan ho de agoje Edis kan agoje Erling Haaland
wow Chelsea ni Man City the omani abre omni men maybe
Man City de ne bia no mutia you know manya Harry Kane
okay whichever way
but Harry Kane teams ni men na Daniel Levy or say all be seen the player plus cash or say he wants the money
no say Scanonia
150 cash
and when COVID-19 way and then let me 150 amount e be or the kakra or the player be back home
we wanna come the Sterling bia
Raheem Sterling and
Tottenham for no kwa pe Gabriel Jesus
na ngom the Gabriel Jesus no the kakra
no mo the player was some the player back account say
I'm Laporte
men
come do no
say Real Madrid was na say no because munya ngolo kan tampe
oh why not
Charles was for the team ni ya obviously the one for first 11 one for munya am na can't be one because can't enya de omna ko bia okay Andy fire room kakra bi base ma be du na ye hwe de wa man kakra
right live on Pure 95.7 FM on Facebook Pure